How to rotate video in Capcut. Open the Capcut app. Click on New Project. Select the video from Gallery. Play the video. Delete the extra part which is not useful. Delete the ending. Click on Aspect Ratio. Select the ratio. Click on Video. Select Transform. Now click on Rotate. Select any rotation you want. Now click on Resize. Click on Tick. Now export the video. That is how you can rotate the video in Capcut. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an upload.